Yeah, that should hopefully work out for open outer at least. And it's taking time, so 10, we are 10, we are panning, erroring out, okay, panning, erroring out, okay. So what we need to do here, this has pretty much right values, but we are not able to get the value here. I think it was 200 as far as I saw that, but let's confirm it. It's 200 and null still. I've created the value, so it should so provider config. Let us read the responsible request body from .println request body. Get the bytes out. So model is this and messages is this. Messages is a list of role and content. along with name. That is optional, but that is fine. That looks correct. Closing braces, bracket and braces. Response is correct. So the issue, call expect, right? Like list of choices, and they have that, but we are not able to see that somehow. That is weird. So the issue is with the response. We had messages and roles, so we are trying to print the value out right here, which can do with interface, but it's still not giving that response. Hopefully this is the right way to do it. Response.body. Let's do it here. Default client. Oh, that is the issue. So we want a method which will call the API, like request dot do. We cannot do that, right? HTTP dot new request or default client. Is it a structure? It is right. It is a structure. So what we need to have done is this instead of that. We had wait, why is it not? So look out my own blocks. New request, and with that we provide this default client. Oh, that was right actually. Then we are not changing the client, right? Let's provide the headers. This will set the response body. So we are like trying to get what I'm trying to do here is the interface will be like any sort of response. We're taking any sort of response and trying to convert it into JSON interface, which will be so decoding that JSON string into back into uh, a structure that we can pass using Golang's uh, you know, types and interface methods. So we are allowing any form of structure to be uh, represented in this like in this variable response body, and then we are trying to decode that into this variable here at response body, so it will take in the value. Hopefully that should make that clear, but it's still. And here we are trying to get a decoded value here, so we don't pass the reference, we just pass in the value, and then passing the objects from passing the request response body back into this is something like this, putting the like Golang specific types into flat JSON bytes, and here we are not yet tried to pass or decode back the body passing JSON to post request. This is not yet. Here it is. They're trying to unmarshal this response body into. So I think we should try it this way instead of that. So instead of doing all of this, let's call it RASP body. So this is directly related to the response body, and you don't have to worry about it and get that. So this will be uh, io.reload. Io is not there. What is happening here, bro? LSP restart. Read all. LSP dot. Uh, what? And then we actually define the RES response structure. So it will be response dot, sorry, uh, response. We will set this as um, wait. So we'll do it. Yeah, this should hopefully work. No, what is the issue here? Okay, that is weird. This is all HTML. How can this one in HTML, guys? That is quite hilarious. So we are doing something wrong for sure. We're sending a post request to completion config. Maybe this is something to open API. That should not be an issue because this is a free model, right? Now which one I used? I think it was this one. That is definitely free, so we can use that lower. But it's complaining that we cannot use it. Okay, okay, we can still do this. It's called. Let's paste in here. We can actually use open router API key. Okay, that Um, Key limit exceeded. So Gordon, I just set that to 0 manually. Instead, you have to create it. Just leave it option. Leave blank for unlimited, so it will be. I'm not sure it will be built or not, but I don't think because we are testing out on free models, so it should not hopefully do anything bad to it. So go and go. And we still have issues here, which means we are doing certainly wrong. This request schema is correct. Content type application, maybe we are missing that one out. Errors dot content type application JSON, and we still have issues. Okay, What could be? You're reading this wrong endpoint, right? Oh my god, that was a wrong endpoint. Could that be? Chat completion URL will be prompt.printf instead of this, it will be set to that. Now what credentials found? Okay, there it is. We have everything in here. Uh, Usage. There's exactly 1 hour in the world. Hello world. Okay, the answer is correct, maybe. But I'm worried about this now. It won't consume the credits, right? Gateway. Let's view the and yeah, October 4th. Cost is 0. Maybe 3.5 turbo. I by mistakenly might have used this. It's not free, by the way. So that is what I've done here is a little awkward. We have feed in API key that we need to do obviously. Then we need to have the model if we need to provide, that is for sure. I think we can avoid open router. Sorry, we can provide the open router, but configure the base URL based on the message that we want to hit. So just like it here, we can stop printing out things out and play. So completions is here.